Happy Saturday, everybody. So, what am I up to? Well, right now I'm getting ready to fix husband some breakfast. I'm gonna set y'all down so I can make this plate real quick and we'll come back, all right? So, I'm fixing. I got sausage, strawberry toast, grits, some Pink Lady apples, his vitamins, and these are the vitamins that he take. I don't know if y'all can see. Hold on. This is the, hold on y'all, because I got to put y'all down. Y'all ain't going to be able to see. Hold on 1 second. So these are the man's, it has A, C, D, E, and whatever that one is, and zinc. And then this is the Garden of Life vegan one. And this is if I have any man watching. But yeah, this is what he's taking. And yeah, just putting some breakfast together. And yeah, let me get this plate together. And oh y'all, I love it, my vacuum. I am loving my vacuum. Yes, she's loving her vacuum. And I'm gonna show y'all because she'll have an area of her own. And yeah, hold on, let me make this plate and I'll be right back, okay? Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Let's see if he say good. Let's see if he says good morning.
Hey, good morning, people. Glad to have a wife like Miss Owens here. These apples is no good.
Yes, they are.
I'm not.
They are.
They're bad. That's why I don't like these red apples. They're no good. Not eating those.
Oh, don't even try to play me.
Seriously, I'm not eating them. It's not good.
Oh my God, y'all. I hope you don't get the sheets dirty. I just
Listen,
changed the bed.
I'm just telling y'all. Don't get me wrong. You know, apples might have just been sitting there a little bit longer. They're no good. No, you don't.
Whatever. We're not listening to that. He gonna eat them apples.
Hey, you put sugar in?
Sugar. I gave you a sugar pack. Jesus. Huh? Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Hold on. Hey guys, today my word for you guys is happiness. Pure happiness. Even if you don't have what you want, still choose to be happy. Even if the day doesn't seem like it to be going well, choose to be happy. Choose to be happy. Happiness is the key to life, okay? Along with the other things. People cannot make you happy. Things cannot make you happy. Only for a minute. You need to make your own self happy. Think of joyful things. Think of beautiful things. Listen to the birds. Do whatever you have to do to be happy and choose happy. Y'all. Welcome to tea time. So guys, we're going to read Exodus 14. Guys, it says right here in Exodus 14 and 14. I'm going to read 14. We're going to start off at 12. Did we say to you in Egypt, leave us alone? Let us serve the Egyptians. It would it would have been better for us to serve the Egyptians than to die in the desert. Moses answered the people, do not be afraid. Y'all, stop being afraid. Do not be afraid, okay? Do not be afraid. Stand firm, and you will see the deliverance the Lord will bring to you today. The deliverance that the Lord will bring to you today. This is my message, y'all. The Lord will fight for you. You only need to be still. You need to only be still. The Lord will fight for you. Stop thinking that you got to do everything. Stop thinking that you got to, oh, somebody got me. I'm about to get them back. The Lord will fight for you. All you have to do is be silent. He got you. So guys, that is my word today for tea time. I'm going to go on this computer and I'm going to answer some of you guys' comments. And I will see you guys a little bit later. All right? All right, y'all, let's go and get this, grab this plate. And then I'm going to introduce y'all to my new friend, y'all. I'm going to introduce you to my new friend. Oh my God, I love this vacuum. So let me show y'all something. She is beautiful. Just give me a minute. I didn't know Carl was cute. He ate it all. It's all gone. I already knew that. I already knew he was hungry. So guys, I'm gonna introduce you guys in a moment to my baby, y'all. Y'all, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about my vacuum. Y'all have no idea. But y'all, this don't work. This don't work. Mark worked, he took the pieces out and put it back together. It's still not working, but for right now, I'm gonna keep it right there because it looks nice and we'll end up finding it. I'm not giving up. But y'all, look at this. Look how beautiful. Everything is in there, everything. Hold on, y'all. Y'all, I'm so happy. She works like a champ. Look at this. Click that. Y'all see that? Y'all see the light? Super cute. Let me show y'all where we're gonna put her, because since it's a plug right here, since there's a plug like right here, I'll show y'all the charging station. So here's the walk-in closet, and this is excuse me guys, so bright. This is the walk-in closet. So this is the thing he put here. So I'm gonna hang her up and I'm gonna show y'all. But guys, she works so good. Like, I cleaned all of this. I did railings. I did a lot of stuff and it was so clean. I'm so grateful to find that vacuum. And then I'll show you guys the vacuum that I'm gonna give our son and his girlfriend. Y'all remember this vac? This is a really, really good Hoover vacuum cleaner. So that will be going to the last baby boy. So guys, I'll be back in a minute to show you what it looks like hung up. All right, guys, just put her right here, like that, and then I'll look at the other pieces. Got these two pieces, and I guess you just put it one there and one there. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm loving this. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So that's what it looks like. And then the charging thing is here. So I'll show you guys. So yeah, if I ever need to charge, the cord is in the plug thing. The plug is like right here. So yeah, guys, I am so excited. So I'll bring you guys along if we do anything else today, but I'm so glad that he hung that. And guys, it's good to go. As we have the pieces for the doors, so hopefully he says when I come back, we're gonna get this door together. So we'll come back later.